Masters of the animal kingdom, extreme creatures. Explore the extraordinary world of extreme animals, where remarkable characteristics and adaptations set them apart as masters of their domains. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, rules the islands of Indonesia with its powerful jaws and deadly venom. Polar bear. The polar bear, master of the Arctic, survives in the harshest of environments, equipped with thick fur and unmatched swimming abilities. Peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on Earth, soars through the skies at astonishing speeds, striking fear into the hearts of its prey. Cheetah. The cheetah, nature's ultimate sprinter, dashes across the African plains with unparalleled speed and precision, securing its place as the fastest land animal. Whale shark. The whale shark, the largest fish in the sea, navigates the oceans with serene grace, filtering plankton and small fish with its colossal mouth. Trumpeter swan. The trumpeter swan, known for its majestic beauty and haunting call, graces North American waterways with its presence, symbolizing grace and elegance. Giraffe. The giraffe, the tallest land animal, dominates the African savanna with its towering presence and extraordinary anatomy, adapted for reaching heights beyond the reach of others. Pygmy marmoset. The pygmy marmoset, the world's smallest monkey, navigates the dense Amazon rainforest with agility and stealth, proving that even the smallest creatures can be mighty. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the sky, these extreme animals exemplify the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth, inspiring awe and admiration in all who encounter them.